First time you use one of these drain valves, it's probably easiest to use a pair of pliers. If it doesn't pull out straight away, turn it as you're pulling it and it will come towards you. It comes out in two stages. When it's out fully, it locks in place. Undo the drain. Your normal hose connectors will go on there. There's an O-ring in there. Screw it on. When you push it halfway in, the water will start to come out. When you pull it back out, it'll stop. Just like that. When you're empty, take the adapter off. Make sure you haven't lost the O-ring. Put it on nice and firmly. Push it home. A small turn will lock it into position. You do usually get some drips coming out after a couple of minutes. Just make sure you've done it up properly and it's not actually letting by at all. Make sure you turn the hot tub off before you drain it completely at the main supply. And that's draining a weekend hot tub.